Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So we are going to be talking about Candy and Mackerel and the new viral sensation out of Jamaica. As you guys know, we love some gimmicks and some foolishness because we love to laugh. And we are that type of people. But let's get into Candy's story. It says, "Can I get a wow?" In fact, internet sensation Candy Body got lots of wows when she walked into the Star office yesterday while stating that she has flashed Mackerel out of her tin and she is ready to take over the world. "Me feel good say me rub out her career. Me give her a run for her money. She says she take people man, but me keep my man. Me is a talented girl," the 20-year-old woman said. Candy, whose given name is Carisha Brandon, has garnered more than 20,000 fans on her Instagram page since a video of her dancing to Vybz Kartel "Come Home" went viral. But that was not the first time she was the center of attention, as she previously made the rounds in a video in which she was seen performing fellatio on a bottle at a dance. According to Candy, putting a smile on the faces of others makes her life feel fulfilled. This is obvious based on the videos she often posts on her social media page. However, behind the laughs is a woman who has endured a lot of abuse, including being stabbed, robbed, and severely beaten. Candy is a former student of the Central Branch All-Age and Charlie Smith High School. She, however, did not complete her studies at high school, stating she was an uncontrollable teenager who was eventually placed in state care. Kind of like Mackerel's situation. "When me go to Glen Hope, place of safety, them couldn't control me, so them put me at Fort Augusta and me get even worse. Me was there from me at 15 and me come out when me at 17, she said. 3 years later, Candy got pregnant with her now 8-year-old daughter, but said she had to end the relationship with the child who she claims was abusive. "I couldn't take it anymore, so me just tell myself, say me I go out there, go face my judgment alone with my belly. Me go West Kingston, go stay with some people. My mother did tell me, say anywhere me catch me cold, me blow me nose. But after my daughter born, she come visit her and she take care of her. Is she my daughter live with now," the 28-year-old said. Candy told the Weekend Star she did a lot of things to survive, include prostituting on Old Harbor Road in St. Catherine, and God know that road there full up a pay prostitute. Honestly, that is the first time I've ever seen back road in a real life. Me always hear people talk about it, but right over there, so I used to do business on the road. I used to dance in different clubs, and when me can't manage it no more, me gone on the road. And when me can't bother again, me go back on the pole. Being on the road means that me used to do the things them. When the clients them call me just say how much money you have, and once it right, me go do me thing, she said. She said she was introduced to prostitution circle last year by a friend who told her that business was good in Old Harbor. First day, me go our man a look me, but my spirit never take him at all. Me find out later said the man have AIDS. The next day, me go back and the next youth ask me how much me sell for, and me say 2,500. Him ride a bicycle and him asked me how much to spend the night. The liquor after that, him tore me on the bicycle and carried me home, and from that day me no left the boy. Candy said she recently stopped selling her body. She explained that while prostitution paid the bills, she will never return to the trade after having a few near-death experiences. "Me get robbed several times. Me I tell Brook Road and the girl them call man to rob me, and all in a me mole them stab me. Me get stabbed in my chest and arm, and is a whole lot me go through on the road, so me just take my little time draw out. Me no regret being on the road, but me decide to stop because me see how me could have dead out there. Enough of them condom bust and me run go pee same time. Sometimes all want give me ecstasy. With that life behind her, Candy said she focused on launching a music career and becoming a choreographer with the assistance of her management team, Kiddo Stealth Street Entertainment. She stated she is focused on capitalizing on her newfound fame. She has been getting a lot of bookings and persons have been reaching out to us for her to perform Water after she made the video about water with a wow adding her management kiddo. Quite frankly, I'm going to say this, and I'm going to be very blunt in this video, and enough people don't like it when I am that way. Them claim me a bitch, but it is what it is. Anytime a woman has strong opinions and is not afraid to speak them, that is normally what people say about them. I hate how Jamaican people love gimmicks, but that is a part of our culture. That is part of who we are. We love to laugh and we love to see other people make us laugh. But for Candy to come and talk about how she rub out Mackerel career, you don't have to put one woman down to get above. That is the whole crab in a barrel mentality, and that is not nice at all. Mackerel never called her name. I don't know of Mackerel saying anything negative about her, so why she feel like she have to step on Mackerel Khan and do all of this extra stuff? You're getting your 5 minutes of fame. You don't have to use anybody else. Everybody already has said, can I get a wow? Already all over social media. So your thing is out there. You're gonna do interview with Entertainment Report Star. You have a management team now, so that means you get bookings and all these things. You don't have to call up Mackerel name, period, point blank. That is not a good look. I'm so sick and tired of women going against women and feel like they have to disrespect another woman to get ahead. It's not nice, it's not cute, and Jamaican women especially need to stop it. She claims she have bookings and she also have a management team. Be very, very careful with management. A lot of these times these internet sensation go viral and people jump on them because they know they're about to make a lot of money. One thing I have, and I said this about Mackerel too, make sure you capitalize off this newfound fame that you have. You are talking about your about Mackerel career, be very, very careful. You today, tomorrow for me. Remember that. And Jamaican people forget very easily, and they're on to the next person that is funny and that is going to make them laugh. So capitalize off it while you can, because just like how we are talking about Mackerel career and them dash for Mackerel, they don't want to see Mackerel anymore. It's the same way they're going to do you. You're no different, okay? So make your money while you can and capitalize off of it and do something productive with your life, because you have a child to live for and possibly try to raise your daughter yourself. But that's all I have to say about Candy. Big up to Candy. There's no bias here against Candy at all. She do her thing, she make her money, and I love to see when people can use their talents to put them further in life. Jamaica hard, Jamaica is no better rose, and as she said, she has been through a lot. So for her to move from prostitution to being a viral sensation to actually making money and getting bookings, that says a lot. Big up to her, and I hope she continues to do her best, but watch yourself. Watch your back, making sure that you are capitalizing and people now leech off of you. Anyways, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Do you think that Candy, Can I Get a Wow, is going to last longer than Mackerel did? Do you think that Candy actually rub out Mackerel career? Because the last time I checked, Mackerel, they are England, they do sure, and Mackerel is doing very good for herself. Do you think that Candy needs to even mention Mackerel in her interviews And do you think it's a good look for Jamaican people to be putting females against each other? They did the same thing with Spice and Shensia, and they're doing it now. What are your thoughts on Candy and Can I Get a Wow? And tell me your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.
All them a preach and preach, step over they go beat and teach. Them a jive by and all know them can't reach. Go and back up for your grandmother preach. Them a pussy on the street and me see it. Go over they go beat and teach. Beat and teach. So beat and teach. So beat and teach.